Networking giant Cisco reports its second quarter results after the close on Wednesday. I'm here with TheStreet's James Rogers. James, why should investors be paying close attention to this?
Well, Cisco is a very important barometer for enterprise IT spend, and, along with some other companies like IBM. So obviously, these results are going to be crucial not just for Cisco investors, but also for Silicon Valley in general. Now, we look at some of the stuff that's been happening recently. IBM put out decent numbers, so that's key. But obviously, it's a slightly different animal to Cisco. Maybe a better analogy is a networking company like Juniper, which also put out decent numbers. So I think these trends could bode well for Cisco today.
And what's the consensus on Wall Street about Cisco's prospects?
People, I think, are looking for inline results, maybe a modest beat. Personally, I'll be very interested to see whether the strength that Cisco experienced in the US around enterprises and service providers is going to continue. Some of the analyst commentary has pointed to kind of like strength in routers, servers, services, wireless, security, that maybe will be offset by more muted demand around things like switches and collaboration.
So what do you make of talk about M&A activities surrounding Cisco?
Well, it's interesting that we typically perceive Cisco as like this acquirer of other companies, but recently we've seen a lot of the activity going the other way. Like we recently saw Cisco make an announcement to sell off its Linksys home networking business to a company called Belkin. And I think that that's key, because we have to look at Cisco very much as still as something of a transitional company. It's still in turnaround mode. It had a lot of problems, and this streamlining, this sell-off, like this making the company more efficient, more nimbler, is going to be really key to its success long term. So, last quarter, I think it was a very good execution story that we saw from Cisco, and basically today I'll be looking for more of the same.
All right, thanks so much, James. Stay tuned to TheStreet for more on Cisco.